Talk out there of extraterrestrials that can shapeshift. Are you aware of any of these?
Yes, absolutely. There's a plasmid species, which is, I don't know how to describe them. If you were to imagine a gelatinous life form with neon lights inside of it, that's kind of what they look like, but they have the ability to conform to just about any external shape so that they can mimic being a human being or a Zeta Reticulan or a Sasquatch or a dolphin or just about anything that's, within a relative size or scope. They can't shrink down to, cat size or expand necessarily to elephant size, but anything that's comparable mass and size, they can basically shapeshift and hold that form for an incredibly long time. They can hold a form for hours or days.
What's their agenda? Where did they come from? Why are they here?
The plasmids that I'm aware of tend to be mercenaries, because one of the best ways to assassinate someone is to camouflage yourself as something else, get close, and then, stab, kill, whatever. So they tend to be very well paid assassins because that's what they're good at. So they're mercenaries. There has been a concerted effort to expel them from the terrestrial sphere, and we certainly had some incidents a few years back where some of them were trying to leave and or escape, and we were having to shoot them down or track them down and hunt them while they were going below the surface of the ocean and so forth. It was a bit of a deal for a while.
Who sent the mercenaries, number one? And, how do we destroy those types of races?
Well, I think that in our travels of meeting other beings, someone encountered them and decided to tell someone else about them who just said, oh, let's hire those guys to do this job. So as far as they're concerned,
it's pretty personal, corporate probably.
Yeah, it's all about, the payment for them. As long as they get paid what they consider an adequate compensation, they'll take any job.